Measurement professionals around the world are always faced with a challenge when there are several targets on site. Difficult conditions, such as strong reflections, rain, bright light, and reflective clothing can influence tracking. To provide ultimate performance, Leica Geosystems has developed the world's first self-learning total stations with ATR+, a completely new, unique, and simple solution. The latest generation of Leica Viva and Leica Nova total stations and multi-stations adapt themselves to site conditions without any user intervention. ATR Plus learns non-relevant targets and automatically excludes them from future searches. For Leica Viva and Leica Nova, there is only one target: yours. No matter who follows you, no matter who crosses your path, no matter if you are in the right light, no matter if you lost touch. Leica Geosystems total stations and multi-stations are always with you, automatically. Experience the new generation of Leica Viva and Leica Nova, the world's first self-learning total stations.